Looking for the best DOT5 brake fluid that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best DOT5 brake fluid that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Modal DOT5 brake fluid. Modal DOT5.1 brake fluid is a high-performance synthetic fluid designed for modern hydraulic braking and clutch systems, particularly vehicles equipped with ABS, ESP, ASR, and advanced electronic braking technologies. Its high boiling point helps minimize vapor lock and brake fade during repeated braking, spirited driving, towing, and demanding high-temperature conditions, supporting reliable and consistent pedal performance. The low-viscosity formulation promotes rapid fluid circulation and responsive operation in ABS and stability control systems, including during cold weather starts and high-speed braking. Compatible with systems requiring DOT3, DOT4, or DOT5.1 non-silicone fluids, it suits cars, motorcycles, light trucks, and performance applications. Its corrosion-resistant additives help protect calipers, master cylinders, seals, ABS modules, and hydraulic clutch components from moisture-related deterioration, delivering dependable long-term hydraulic performance and consistent braking confidence. Next up is VP Racing DOT5 brake fluid. This high-performance brake fluid is engineered to deliver dependable braking performance under demanding conditions, offering a wet boiling point of 399 degrees Fahrenheit 204 degrees Celsius and a dry boiling point of 622 degrees Fahrenheit 328 degrees Celsius, significantly exceeding the typical wet boiling point of 311 degrees Fahrenheit found in standard DOT4 fluids. Its impressive thermal stability helps combat vapor lock, a dangerous condition where excessive heat can cause a complete loss of hydraulic pressure and braking power. It also helps resist brake fade, which can make the pedal feel soft or spongy after repeated hard braking, high-speed driving, or prolonged brake use. With a viscosity of 1495 CST at -40 degrees Celsius and 2.59 CST at 100 degrees Celsius, it maintains reliable fluid characteristics across a wide temperature range, making it a strong choice for drivers seeking consistent, responsive, and confident braking performance. Coming in at number 3 is Valvoline DOT5 brake fluid. This brake fluid is a practical choice for vehicles equipped with hydraulic and disc brake systems, offering reliable performance for everyday driving and demanding braking conditions. Its compatibility with conventional brake fluids makes it convenient for maintenance and fluid replacement, allowing it to mix well with existing systems when the required specifications are met. The low moisture formulation is a key advantage, helping provide strong protection against vapor lock, a condition that can occur when excessive heat causes brake fluid to vaporize and reduces hydraulic pressure. By helping maintain consistent fluid performance and dependable braking response, this formula supports greater confidence behind the wheel. Whether used for routine vehicle maintenance or as part of a brake system upgrade, it provides a balanced combination of compatibility, convenience, and thermal protection for drivers who prioritize consistent and reliable braking performance. Now number 4, CycleMax DOT5 brake fluid. The CycleMax pack offers a convenient brake maintenance solution featuring one bottle of Suzuki Exter DOT4 brake fluid, 990A001E9112Z, paired with a disposable funnel for cleaner and easier fluid servicing. Designed for vehicles requiring DOT4 brake fluid, Exter is formulated to deliver dependable hydraulic performance while meeting FMVSS number 116 and SAE J1703 specifications, with a wet equilibrium reflux boiling point of 311 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it a reliable choice for routine brake system maintenance and consistent braking performance. The included funnel adds practical value by helping minimize spills during fluid replacement or topping up. However, users should note that this fluid must not be mixed with DOT5 fluid, and care should be taken to prevent contact with brake linings or painted surfaces. Overall, it is a quality-focused and convenient option for maintaining compatible brake systems. And finally, our last pick is Polaris DOT5 brake fluid. Polaris DOT4 brake fluid is specifically engineered for Polaris off-road vehicles equipped with hydraulic brake systems, providing reliable performance in demanding trail and high-performance conditions. The 12-ounce bottle offers a convenient quantity for brake system maintenance, while the specialized formulation helps lubricate rubber O-rings and brake lines, supporting smooth operation and responsive brake lever feel. Its superior high-temperature characteristics help maintain consistent braking performance under intense heat, while anti-corrosive additives protect critical brake components and may help extend system service life. Developed through thousands of hours of testing across various fluid and engine designs, this brake fluid is engineered to meet the rigorous demands of Polaris riders. Overall, it is a dependable choice for maintaining strong brake response, component protection, and consistent stopping performance during recreational riding, challenging off-road adventures, and demanding trail conditions. So those were the top 5 best DOT5 brake fluid you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.